It is with great pleasure that we invite you to the Ministry of Defense Health Services First International Nursing and Midwife Congress, entitled Transformative Nursing and Midwifery, Leading Innovation and Advancing Practice Towards Better Healthcare, which will take place on 26th through 28th February 2023 at the Crown Plaza Hotel, Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The conference aims to heighten awareness and stimulate discussion among professionals from different backgrounds and disciplines to examine the essential contribution of nursing towards the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. To get started, let's explore the virtual platform. Kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy sign-in process. Open the link on the registration email sent to you, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password on your received registration email. If you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and receive an email to reset your password. If you've not registered yet, kindly click the button to register now. Once you've signed in, the window will direct you to the main lobby, and this will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs on your dashboard's upper side without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a session. Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button that you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. Exhibit Hall. Our industry partners will showcase the latest devices, innovations, and interventional therapies in this unique virtual exhibition hall. Even the booth looks realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. At the information desk, Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only for speakers and moderators. The Networking Lounge for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. We anticipate approximately 800 healthcare providers from all over the world to attend the opening ceremony, various plenaries, main sessions, workshops, and symposia. Your presence will be greatly